Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing few new kitchen organization ideas and some really helpful tools. I've been using these organizers and tools for a while now. Let's see how do they work and whether they're worth investing or not. And this is not a sponsored video. Now let's get started.
When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your brave.
You must have noticed this rack in all my recent videos. This is actually a 2-tier cupcake stand for the parties. I really liked its look and build quality. It is made of wood and metal and it is from Westside. I keep them in the two corners of my countertop. One is utilized to hold tea and sugar canisters and mortar and pestle as well. The other one helps me with ceramic jars that contain dry nuts and pickles. 2-tier storage utilizes the vertical space and free up more space on the platform. It is well built and its wooden look adds to the beauty of the kitchen. I really like it, a simple, no fuss and beautiful organizer. Next is this simple metal corner rack which is tremendously purposeful for small kitchens. It has two shelves and due to its triangle shape, it can be easily fixed in one of the corners of the countertop. It is spacious and can accommodate multiple kitchen items and jars of different sizes. It is sturdy and looks so neat. It does not take much space on the countertop, stays happy in one corner, holding your items with love. It is a great choice if you are looking for a rack to organize your countertop. Area around the kitchen sink usually gets messy due to all the dishwashing essentials stored there. Also, unorganized items can eat up the space on the counter. I have been using this metal sink caddy which comes with self-adhesive hooks. That means no drilling and nailing required. We just have to attach the hooks to the wall like this and then hang the organizer. And that's it. Along with this, I am using this sponge organizer as well. The process is the same to attach it to the wall. Water drains off easily from the sponge and goes directly into the sink, which helps the sponge to dry fast. With these organizers, it is easy to keep the dishwashing essentials and sponges organized. Sink area always stays clean and tidy. Although now most of my dishes are done in the dishwasher, it is still a neat setup for the occasional light washes. If you haven't watched my LG dishwasher review, please see the link in the description box. Most of us use multiple cloth towels in the kitchen for different purposes, but organizing the used or wet towels is cumbersome. I have been using this towel hanger which has 4 thin rods, easy to move in any direction. This also comes with self-adhesive hooks which makes it a perfect choice for people living in rented houses. No drilling needed. You can easily hang 4 kitchen towels and rugs at a time. Great organizer to keep used kitchen towels organized. You would have seen various types of Lazy Susan or turntable in my earlier videos. They do a great job whether inside or outside the cabinet. This one in wood is one of my favorites. It is functional and beautiful. Adds to the elegance due to its earthy look. I have been using it for my dining table to keep dining essentials handy. This organizer adds definite charm to my dining table. Recently I bought this stainless steel chopping board and I'm quite happy with it. It is made of food grade stainless steel. The best part is it does not allow bacteria or fungus to grow after chopping the veggies, which can be at times questionable with wooden and plastic chopping boards. We all must have witnessed these black marks on the chopping boards which are hard to clean. It gets accumulated over a period of time, especially in the knife scratch areas. Additionally, the steel chopping board is dishwasher safe. Same is not true with wooden and low quality plastic chopping boards. My obsession with vegetable choppers is not new. I personally use them a lot and always be so thankful for their help in my kitchen. Practically, I use it almost every day. Recently, I found this chopper which has 2 bowls to chop 2 different vegetables at a time. For instance, if you're making a regular onion and tomato gravy, you can chop them both separately at the same time. Multitasking. Ek tir se do shikar. Wonderful, isn't it? So if you're looking for a good chopper, then this is for you. This is another very useful product which I tried recently. While washing utensils, the soap can be easily accessed without touching the dispenser. Just place the sponge on the top of the dispenser and press. The soap will be pumped up and collected by the sponge, and then you can easily wash the dishes. Easy to use ergonomic adds to the convenience and prevents minor hassle of taking out liquid from the bottle and allied wastages. A smart machine indeed. In my last video, many of you asked me about this caddy. Actually, I have few of them in different sizes for different purposes, and I've been using them for quite some time. This is the smallest one, which is used for storing gardening tools. I carry it whenever I go to the balcony for watering plants. It can also be used for carrying cleaning supplies for daily dusting. Nowadays, I use this one for storing and carrying daily cleaning supplies. Lot of time can get wasted walking back and forth to get cleaning supplies when you move from one room to the next. This caddy is really helpful in carrying all the tools. I use the same type for storing the car cleaning kit. It is helpful whenever we go down to wash our car. Last but not the least in this category is this one, which has equal sections. I use it for storing water bottles. Sturdy metal body is long lasting and looks neat. Most of these are from Westside, but I have given the online links of some other brands as well in the description box. Links of all the products shown in this video are also provided in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.